I'm Michael Dominic, and today I'm making a sort of hybrid English-American lemon scone. What makes it a hybrid is I'm using more sugar than English scones, but less butter than American scones. I also used buttermilk, so it's a real mashup. I usually plan out these videos, but today I'm kind of winging it and making it up on the fly. First thing we need to do is sift 2 3/4 cups of self-rising flour into a large mixing bowl. Let's try 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It should be enough. 5 ounces of butter, cubed and ice cold. We want to combine the flour with the butter. Not like this though. I realized that metal on glass was not a good idea, so I used my fingers. Once it looks like breadcrumbs, that's enough. Stick it in the fridge. We want to keep that nice and cold. Zest 1 whole lemon. I juiced half, but you're going to need more, so juice that whole sucker. Get your ingredients that you were keeping cold in the fridge. Add a half cup of sugar. That seemed like a good flour to sugar ratio to me. Incorporate the sugar into your flour butter mixture. Put that back in the fridge and let's mix our wet ingredients together. Crack 1 egg. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Grab that ice cold buttermilk and add that too. Beat it. Showing how funky and strong is your fight, just beat it. In your flour mixture, make a little well. Add your lemon zest. And then add your egg mixture into the well. Use a knife to mix them together, but do not overmix this. We are not looking for smooth dough, we want it to be sticky. Spread some flour on your cutting board and turn your dough out onto it. Give it a couple of folds, just so it stays together, and then roll it out to about 1.5 inch circle, at least circle-esque. Don't forget to flour your roller like I did so your dough doesn't stick to it. A little flour on your hands goes a long way too. Place your disc of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Cut the dough into 6 slices with your bench scraper, moving them slightly apart. Put the pan into a preheated 375-degree oven for 25 minutes. While that's baking, let's make the glaze. 1 cup of powdered sugar, lemon juice, then add some milk to thin it out just a little bit, and whisk. I wound up adding in a whole lemon because I wanted more tartness, but it's up to you. Put it in a Ziploc to dispense later. After 25 minutes, when your scones are this brown, place them on a cooling rack. Once they are completely cool, you can glaze them. These came out wonderfully. Light, but not too light. Buttery, but not too buttery. They were rich and delicious, and I would totally make these again. I guess I'm the tester today. My wife is somewhere else. Lovely. If you like this video and would like me to make more, like, subscribe, and comment, and maybe I will. I'm not promising anything